Just thought I would get on here real quick and show you my most recent creation. It's this underwater shell sea life with pearls. I'm not quite finished with it, but it's coming out looking pretty good. And this is one of those day in the life type of things. Also, I want to show you guys, I have some new pictures up on the wall. 2 of them are canvases that I've done, and then one is a group of magnets. All will be on sale at the Fort Pierce Aquarium on World Ocean Day on June 6th. And back to my seashells under the sea. So, and basically it makes it easier for me if I go in chronological order. So I started with the smallest, and now I'm working my way up. And I've added some blue pearls. These are just some extra ones I had left over from another project. And I thought they might look really good in some of these areas where there aren't any rhinestones, but there's like a little blue water like bubble. So I think these will be a nice addition. And then I'll see what it looks like when I'm finished and see if I need to add any more extras. I always keep all of my old drills or pearls or rhinestones from previous jobs or projects, because you never know when you could add in something to just give it that little extra sparkle. Also, it helps make everything look a little bit more unique and special, which is always what I'm going for, unique and special. Because I look at these, I know it may sound a little crazy, but these are like my babies. And to me, my children are unique and special, and so is every piece of artwork that I do. And even if I'm doing the same picture, there's always going to be something a little bit different than I do in each one. So, okay, well, I'm going to keep working, and I'll let you guys see the finished product once it's finished. Talk to you soon, and remember, June 6th at the Fort Pierce Aquarium is where I'll be and where you can see more of my things.